parallel to the mat. You could always edge the back foot down the mat to do this. Pause and hold for a breath in. Exhale out. Flip the front palm open, inhale, right arm reaches up, lean back for reverse warrior. Left hand can rest on your leg or wrap behind the back. Pausing for a breath in here, keep bending into the front knee. Then with your breath out, right forearm could rest on the thighs, the left arm reaches overhead. Or you could bring the hand down to the mat if it's not too restricted. Turn your chest open, gaze up, inhale. Exhale. Then keeping your upper body in this position, try to use your core to hold you here as you reach the right arm forward. So it can be quite challenging. Stay with me as we reach and hold for 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Final one. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Lift up back to warrior 2. Spin the back foot open. Bend both knees, sink the hips down for goddess. If the feet are a little bit too wide, you could always edge them in.